Hey everyone, it's Ed from the Flying Stampede. I'm super excited that I get to share an actual flying video with you guys today. Our plan was to head out to Racine and do a quick social distancing birthday wing wag for Caitlin's parents' friend. Happy birthday, Debbie! And then fly out to Sheboygan Airport for some lunch and are finally getting our first stamp. However, our flight didn't go exactly as planned in several ways. First is that we're new to using a GoPro and I just couldn't get the app to work properly to just properly frame that shot of us in the inside of the airplane talking to you all. So unfortunately, all the footage is going to be outside looking out the front glare shield of the airplane. Also too, I put a camera on the outside on the strut, and unfortunately the way that it was mounted, it was just really shaky, and I just had to scrap all the footage so that way no one gets sick watching our videos. And then it was weird, the GoPro quit halfway during the flight, so it recorded the beginning like third of the flight and then the last 20 seconds of the flight while we were down on the ground, which was really strange. So I'm still working through the bugs in that. Also too, as we got closer to Sheboygan, the winds were getting pretty strong and gusty at the airport. I only had about 15 hours or so in our plane, and which has mostly been in fairly calm winds. With Caitlin and Lala in the plane with me, I just didn't feel comfortable forcing a landing in conditions that I wasn't completely confident in. Of course, I could have decided to just go for it and just land anyway in something that I wasn't comfortable in, and I probably would have been okay. But I was just thinking, why force it? There's no sense in putting myself, my family, anybody on the ground or the airplane in any danger. It's better to know your limitations and live to fly another day than to force it and potentially harming something or someone or killing ourselves. The conditions were above my personal minimums in the aircraft, so instead we decided just to turn around and go back to Racine and grab our first stamp there. So we did get our first stamp, which was kind of cool and kind of fun. So anyway, I put some of the footage together because it was such a beautiful day and because I love flying, probably like most of you guys all do too. So, but I also want to take a bit of time just to discuss good aeronautical decision making and personal minimums. Any of you that have been flying for a while know that flights don't always go exactly as planned, and this one certainly didn't. But I'm still here to talk about it with all of you and to fly again and get more stamps. So anyway, if you haven't done so yet, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. We would really appreciate it. And enjoy the video. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments below, and we'd love to answer them on a future episode. Thanks, everyone. Racine traffic, 743 kilo, taking out runway 4, departure to the northwest. Racine.
So the wing wags are, it might be a little uncomfortable for you, just so you know.
Okay. Just let us know when you do it.
I'll make it as easy as possible for you.
Okay.
We're actually flying over the SC Johnson Carnauba wax plane.
Oh.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Get my Wisconsin accent recorded.
Oh, flying so nice, eh?
Ah, oh.
Or is that more like Canadian or?
It's Canadian, but it's migrated to Wisconsin.
Or Minnesotan?
Yeah.
Alright, so now we're over the lake. We gotta this is a popular flying route, so we just gotta be a little careful. How's the dog doing back there?
She's doing great.
Good. Oh, the water's so pretty.
Beautiful. Boats out.
I think this is us here, so we do a quick happy birthday flyby.
Yep. 60th birthday for our neighbor.
Cessna 64287 departing 4 westbound Racine.
Hopefully we'll be able to see which house it is.
I know, I don't know. I mean, I believe they're north of our house, so.
Just look for a bunch of cars.
Yeah, okay, so we're over our house now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would think, see, there's a 5, 6 cars. I'm thinking it's that corner blue-gray house.
With all the cars in the driveway there, the big one?
No, yeah, if you head back by the pond.
Oh, I see.
There's like 3 cars in front of the house.
Yeah, there's like 5 or 6 total.
Yeah,
5 of them.
That would be my guess.
There's a lot of cars out.
Yeah, hard to say.
Well, look for some people waving.
I know. How low can we go? How low can we go?
Well, that's about as low as we can go.
Okay, all right. I don't want to get anybody in trouble.
I don't want to get us in trouble.
Yeah. Got like a... Our little house with Lake Caitlin.
Well, at least if we, at this point, we probably went over their house at some point.
Yeah. I sent a message that I said, I think we're here, but I haven't heard anything back. I've only got one.
You might not hear anything because we're up in the air.
Yep. So just, why don't you wag those wings when you're ready.
All right, here we go.
Wagging those wings. no more.
I think Caitlin's saying no more.
I liked it. That was fun.
Not everyone likes it.
No. Oh, they're all waving.
They saw us?
Yeah.
I don't see anyone.
Oh, I know. Go one more time.
Oh my goodness, you're hilarious.
All right,
Let's go get some food.
yeah, I'm hungry. No one likes a hangry Caitlin.
That's for sure. Hi, good girl.
Good television.
She's like, no more, please.
Yeah. Come on, Lola. You're a good girl. Sit. Oh, good girl.
So, hey everyone, it's us. Thank you for coming along on our first flight. As you can tell, we don't really have this YouTube thing down quite yet, or the GoPro thing down quite yet. So we apologize that there wasn't any in-cockpit footage of us talking, but really, who wants to see people talking in their heads anyway? You guys want to see what's outside and the flying. So again, thanks for joining us on our first flight, what we hoped was going to be our first stamp. But unfortunately, the weather had a different plan for us. So we'll see you on the next episode, and hopefully we'll actually get a stamp at that time. Take care, guys.
Like and subscribe.